Hey everybody, it is Randy, the king of solar screens. We just celebrated our 20th year in this amazing industry, offering window screens and solar screens all over our beautiful area. 2024 is bringing about some brand new changes for us, as we will no longer service the Sugarland, Richmond area, Katy, all the way up to Cypress. Unfortunately, it's just getting too difficult to drive quite that far. Can't keep enough people in the vans, not a problem. I want to strongly urge two of my favorite guys, Solar Screens USA. He's right there in Sugarland. James, he's a Marine, very proud Marine, very, very great guy, very honest. 713-725-5199 is his direct line. Of course, he goes to Katy as well. One of my favorite ones to represent is Shields Up, which, of course, you guys know my wife's a Trekkie, so Shields Up, that's kind of a Trek thing. Osvaldo is the owner of that company. You know, he worked for us for many years, and I got to tell you, when it came to getting 5 stars, he was the leader in this company of getting 5 stars, and that's saying a lot because he got more 5 stars than me, and we were co-workers. But hey, either way, Shields Up Solar Screen. He is actually up on that northwest side, 290, so he can take care of all of that Katy, all of that area up there. 832-609-6716. Again, his name is Osvaldo. Shields Up Solar Screens. Phenomenal guys. These are two of my favorite guys because they believe, like we do, in honesty, in doing it right, and never, ever, ever taking advantage of you, our customers, or anyone here in the Houston area. For the rest of us, hey, from spring all the way down to the island, we've got you covered. Pearland, I still got you covered this year, 2024. I hope it is a blessed year for all of us here in Houston, especially for you and your family. 2024, I look forward to it, and I thank you for 20 years of an amazing, amazing job. Just absolutely love serving you guys and getting to know so many of you. Be blessed, and I thank you very much for taking care of me.